Welcome to PeopleTools Tech Tips Quick Tips. I'm Randall Groncki. Today we're going to talk about using URLs in Insights dashboards. We have our Insights dashboard here containing our employee training data. We want to provide the users with a link to the employee training component page in PeopleSoft for each of these employee classes. This is the custom employee training history page we want to send the user to when they click that link. We already have the drilling URL in our dataset. The drilling URL is required since that is what OpenSearch uses as a unique key for each row of source data. When we click any of the links, it takes us to the employee training history page for that employee. I'll edit the dashboard and the visualization to add the URL field to the data grid. Add it as a split row. The sub-aggregation is term. The field is URL. Then update. Save and return. We see our URL in the data grid, but it's not a live URL. The user can copy and paste that long string to a browser, and it would take them to the target page. But that's not how we want the users to work. So, how do we make this URL better? How do we make it a live URL on the page? Go to our index pattern. Find our drilling URL field and click the edit icon. Change the format from string to URL. Save the field. Now our URL field shows that the format is URL. Let's go back to the dashboard, and now we see that the URL is a live link. We can click on one of them and it takes us to the target page for that employee. But that full HTML anchor text is horrible to display on the page for the users. It's ugly and it's distracting. Let's go back to the index pattern and edit the URL field again. In the label template field, type something like link to transaction to hold the HTML URL detail. Save the field change. Go back to our dashboard. Now we see our link is much neater. It still works correctly as before, but much nicer on the page than the full URL text. Isn't that better for our users? Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing to our channel, and we'll see you next time here on PeopleTools Tech Tips.